Well, let's move on to news now from West Bengal, where Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today undertook a Pad Yatra in Jhargram district. It's a tribal stronghold. The Trinamool Congress, with this rally, is upping the ante against the central government over the special intensive review of voters which has taken place in Bihar. And remember, the Trinamool Congress has been concerned that it will soon take place in West Bengal as well. Also, Mamata Banerjee raising the issue of migrants being targeted for speaking Bangla. This is after several people who were speaking, who spoke in Bengali were picked up in other parts of the country, including the national capital, in Gurugram as well. So Mamata Banerjee has been raising this issue of Bengali-speaking migrants being targeted and hitting out at what she's describing as the BJP's anti-Bengal stand. As you can see there during this protest, where they're carrying pictures of Ambedkar, of several luminaries. She's accompanied by many of her senior ministers as well. Shreshi sent us this report.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee taking out a rally here in Jhargram, which is a tribal-dominated belt. And of course, at the heart of this issue is the SIR of Bengali migrants being targeted in BJP-ruled states. And it almost feels like the campaigning for the elections next year has already begun. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee walking almost 3 to 4 kilometers in the district to ensure that her message is taken to every household across the state of West Bengal to fight the BJP tooth and nail ahead of the election scheduled early next year. The Trinamool Congress leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the message of united Bengal, of the pride of being a Bengali, is taken to each and every citizen of the state to ensure that Bengal's, power remains with them. Of course, it's a high-stake political battle for both the Trinamool Congress and the BJP, which is locked in a political battle here in West Bengal. On one hand, we've seen how the BJP is fighting with the Prime Minister, Home Minister, making frequent visits to West Bengal. Now, the Chief Minister here has begun her district visits, where she is taking out these Padyatras, meeting people. You can see on a working day the kind of crowd that has gathered to get a glimpse of the Chief Minister of West Bengal. One would not even understand that, whether it's a holiday or a working day. Lots of women, lots of children, all from various areas around Jhargram coming in to get a glimpse of the Chief Minister, who is walking with her senior ministers and party members. With GD Shankar, Sreshide for NDTV from Jhargram.